We live in a world with a finite supply of resources, and as materials become scarce, their price goes up. What's more, many of the resources we're eating up are wasted and will never be retrieved. This is the result of a linear economy, the predominant economy we have today. In this current model, we take materials out of the ground, make products out of them, use those products and ultimately dispose them. The vast majority of waste created in this system is dumped in landfills. A small proportion of used goods is recycled, but at low efficiency, because the resources they're made out of were never intended to be recycled for reuse. So a linear economy causes increasing material demand, a decreased lifetime of products, and the degradation of ecosystems. This means that we need a better system from the outset, one that upholds efficiency and sustainability so that materials can last and we would not run out of landfill space. A circular economy could provide the solution to our problem. It is designed to be cyclical from the outset, meaning that products and business models allow materials to effectively flow through the economy. A circular economy follows in the footsteps of nature. Think of a plant growing from a seed. With time, its leaves grow, flowers blossom, and fruit ripen. When autumn comes, leaves and other materials fall to the ground and nourish the soil, and the cycle of natural growth goes on. A circular economy upholds a similar cycle, whereby products are designed in a way that makes them more durable. Their lifetime is extended through reuse and repair so as to avoid wastage. When the product becomes worn out beyond repair, its materials can be recycled and injected back into the manufacturing process as new raw materials. This means that in a circular economy, nothing is lost and everything is transformed. Thus, a circular economy would reduce waste and pollution, promote greater resource productivity, and lead to a cleaner, safer environment.
Malta has a compliance scheme in the waste electric and electronic equipment. Malta is part of the circular economy. We are contributing to continue to close the scope, we call it. Why? Because actually we do know that we have producers, we have importers putting their market placement, having their products sold in the Maltese market, and then they are responsible also for the end of life of that product, which is either for reuse or recycling. What we do is to encourage, first of all, the importers to manage a take-back system. So they sell a product and they take back the old one. And then we manage that collection and that treatment and finally the recycling of that product. This is how it's everything in the loop.
The EU has pinpointed this economic model as a required means of achieving its key priorities, including climate and energy, jobs and growth, and the investment agenda. With the EU's action plan for the circular economy, European businesses will be protected against the scarcity of resources and unpredictable prices, helping to generate new business opportunities and innovative production methods. The EU's plan includes commitments on eco-design and an initiative to fund innovative and relevant projects under the umbrella of the Horizon 2020 research program.
The challenge now is to find the best procedure of implementation. A circular economy cannot be universally applied overnight. In the European Union, it requires the long-term participation of entities at all levels, from private citizens to businesses, local councils and national member state governments. Nothing worth having comes without much effort, and if we all work together to achieve a circular economy, we can create a sustainable system of production and consumption in the European Union and in the rest of the world.